Hey, welcome to ArangeWave. Today we're talking about the new feature, Bounce to New Track. Okay, so here I have a perk stem. Let's give it a listen real quick. Okay, I want to add some plugins to it. Sketch cassette, there's some distortion and verb. Okay, I want this to be my new track. So before you would need to freeze track and then flatten it into place or even pull it into another track. But now we got bounce to new track. I'm going to hit that. Wait for it to bounce. And it'll show up in its own track and disable the clip that was in the track we were using before. So there it is with our processing, bounced right into that track. And then we have our old track here disabled but available in case you need to go back and make any tweaks. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed, what we could talk about next.